me. So it doesn't really matter what I give you, so long I give you a working board.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just thinking like, okay, but why don't I just give them?
As long as we finish it, we
Yeah.
come to collect.
I mean, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna get it fixed and give it to them, and then he's gonna be really surprised because I believe it's a board that they least expect was going to work.
I'm gonna tell them that this is you fixed it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna tell them. I would just tell them, oh, I reused your board. But that's gonna diminish. That's not gonna reduce how much I'm charging him. Yeah, I mean, it's still gonna be the same price. Unfortunately, I just have to charge him the same fee. Sorry.
So which machine is that?
It's a 20. My board is actually 2017. Theirs is a 2016. Touch bar 15 inches.
Oh, so this machine is a 2017?
Yes, mine is a 2017.
It's a non-touch bar?
No, touch bar. You say you don't have such videos in what you have there. What you have, it's a little bit different. Like you don't have actual repair. You just have child's play. People need to see the real thing. When I was in my country, yeah, I have a group of guys that we worked with. When you're talking about dedication, go and see these guys. That's dedicated.